up, you beautiful faces, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't done that many makeup videos, like I've only done a few, but from here on out I'm going to be doing a lot of makeup videos. Since it is the summertime, I'm probably going to give you guys a summertime foundation routine, but today we're doing an eyeshadow look, and I call this look Pink Lemonade. So first I'm just moisturizing with Angel Veil by NYX, and then I'm going to comb out my eyebrows. And I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because it takes up too much time. But next I'm going to prime my eyelids with Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And I bought this in Huntsville at Ulta. And it's like $13. And they give you this little small bottle. But it lasts, well, it should last a good bit. I haven't used it that many times because I haven't been doing that many eyeshadow looks. But when I do eyeshadow looks, I use this eyeshadow primer, and it works really good. The lady in Ulta, she was like, it works really well with pigmented eyeshadows, and it really did this look justice. And for this look, I will be using the James Charles palette. I just bought this palette. Well, when I recorded this video, I just bought this palette and I got it in Huntsville. And so far so good. I don't know if there's still controversy about James Charles, but in my opinion about everything about that situation is just, you can't, I don't know how to say it. I mean, it's makeup, bruh. It's good makeup at that. Morphe makes good makeup and it's a good palette. So I'm not about to pass up on a palette just because people feel a certain way about someone. Now, if, I don't know, I'm not going to get too deep into that. That's just my opinion. Next, I'm going to pack the hot pink shade a little bit above the lid. And you don't want to blend it out just yet. You want to wait to blend it out with the yellow. Okay, so for the yellow shade, first you want to take a regular eyeshadow brush and pack that shade on top of the pink. Then you're going to take a fluffier brush and still get some of the pigment on that brush and blend it out above the pink. And right here, I'm just going to cut my crease. I will be doing a detailed cut crease tutorial real soon. I know that cut creases can be kind of difficult sometimes, but I'm going to show you guys how I do my cut crease quickly, and I would say a pretty easy method of cut crease. Okay, and next I'm going to take that same hot pink eyeshadow and pack it into the crease part of my eye. And here you can take any white eyeshadow to use. I use the shade Flashback out of the James Charles palette. And to be honest, you could just leave it at that if you wanted to. You don't have to put a white eyeshadow right there, but I just chose to do it just to make the colors pop out a little bit more. But if you use like a white base to cut your crease, then you really don't need to use a white eyeshadow. Next, I'm just going to do my foundation routine. I will be posting an updated foundation routine real soon, and my summer foundation routine, and kind of like a no makeup look. So be on the look for those, or be looking out for those, I guess. I'm going to be doing my bottom lash line. I hate the face I make when I do my bottom lash line, but I'm just going to use that hot pink shade for the bottom lash line, and I think that's all I did for the bottom. And instead of putting a highlight shade in the inner corner, I just decided to put yellow in my inner corners. And the lashes I'm using are from Kiss, and they're really the style Gala, but I have them in a different box. And then I'm just going to put one layer of eyeliner on, and then I'm going to do liner on my bottom lash line. Okay, next we're moving on to lips, and for my lips I use just any old brown lip liner, and then I'm going to use my NYX butter gloss. I love NYX butter gloss. I have a lot of them, and this one is Eclair, and I usually use Fortune Cookie, but this time I'm just gonna, I guess, try something different, even though they look kind of similar in my opinion. Alright you guys, and this is the finished look. I really hope y'all like this video, because I like this look a lot. It's very bright and very beautiful. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.